I'll show you several ways you can filter data by the date. While you're in the block of data on the Home tab, just go to Sort and Filter and turn on Filter. So we'll focus on the date column. If I click this drop down, it gives me filter options. So I can filter by a specific year, simply uncheck the year I don't want. Or we can get a little fancier by clicking on Choose One. And here you can filter anything before a date, after a date, between a date. When this video was recorded, it was Monday, January 8th. So if I'd like to see anything that was happening in the last week, I'll just choose last week. And now it's filtered out the data to show me just those records that have a date of last week. I can apply another filter by going to By Label. And this time I'll go up to tomorrow. And now I see all the records scheduled for tomorrow. And if I click the Clear Filter button, it clears the date filters, but my data still has filters active.